Are you looking for inspiration to build your own desertscape? Let's mix them together. Hi Fronds, welcome back to Botanical Woman. I'm Christine. I've been wanting to make these desertscapes for over a year now, and I finally get to do it today with you. So for this black planter, I decided to use this purple succulent because I think the black color, the contrast really helps bring out the purple and pink color. I love how dusty and romantic it looks. And with this ZZ Raven, I'm taking it apart and planting a small piece of it into this desertscape.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open woods, I knew I could.
I think the black color with the kind of shiny foliage kind of really, I don't know, it goes, I think it goes with the purple succulents.
I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space.
And then the rest of it, I wanted something kind of that would creep a little bit. So I have these variegated string of pearls and this string of watermelons that, I don't know, I got them as trades. So they're kind of small, and the variegated string of pearls actually grow really slowly. So the plants are quite small, so it kind of worked out perfectly for this setup.
Far from lonely, on a journey, on a winding road. Got tired of the running, the catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch.
And a word about the ZZ Raven, even though it is not a desert plant, it is a tropical plant. So I'm not going to be leaving this setup outside over the winter, but I think because of how drought tolerant the ZZ Raven is, I think it's going to do okay with some succulents and cactus. So we shall see how that experiment goes.
Broken from the start, I am nothing more than roses at the side of a busy road. How I'm crawling for a worthy goal. At least I'm not alone in my empathy. There's more like me who don't know how to be, how to reach out to the open arms, how to reach out to the open arms. Blue sky is turning red, and I don't know if it's morbid or beautiful. Yeah, blue sky is turning red, and I don't know, should I be scared or grateful? How can I see the beautiful?
And those are 3 succulents that I picked up at Lowe's in clearance for $1. And I like the colors, and they kind of work together. So whenever you're unsure about something, like 3 works better than 2. I also had a lot of fun finding a lot of these baby just desert plants, and this one's been sunburned, which is why it has like a bit of darkening on the outside. So it's normally just kind of more green like the way it is in the middle. So this, I think, you know, it's a different shape and it works.
Open
forgot the name of these. They start with an A, but they're also a part of the succulent family, I believe. But they grow into little roses, which is really cute. And they have little baby pups already. I had them since the winter. They haven't grown that much for me, but I don't think it was also hard to care for a lot of these plants because they were in little small pots, so they dry out really quickly and they just weren't as happy. I'm hoping now with them potted together, it'll be a lot easier or a lot quicker to water them all together at once. So there's the practicality of it. And also I am not adding any top dressing to this planter because I think it's okay. The black kind of works to darken the background. So you can focus more on the color of the plants. I hope this video inspired you and gave you some ideas for your own desertscape. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Until next time, happy growing!